The history of herbs. Ginseng. One of the first written texts covering the use of ginseng as a medicinal herb was the Shengnang Pharmacopoeia, written in China in 196 AD. Although the roots are used in traditional Chinese medicine, the leaves and stems contain larger quantities of the phytochemicals than the roots and are easier to harvest. The herb has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-obesity, and antiviral properties, making it a popular herb for medicinal use even today. Research shows that ginseng helps improve circulation, boosts immunity, and protects against certain types of cancer. The powerful herb also has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels and improve diabetes treatments. Studies show that ginseng improves learning and memory acquisition, making it a popular anti-aging herb to support brain health in older adults. Ginseng also has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and has potency for pain relief and inflammation reduction comparable to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.